In this project, we'll try to make a piston and rod engine. First, I'm drawing a wheel, and that wheel is going to be the crankshaft. So we're going to rename it to wheel and make it always turn, forever turn a little bit when the green flag is pressed. Yes, the wheel is turning. Next thing I'm going to draw is a rod. That's just a straight line. And now I want to connect the rod to the crankshaft, to the wheel. So first I'm going to edit the rotation center, which is the pivot. I can access it through the context menu. Then I'm going to place the rod over the wheel to where I want to connect it and drag its icon from the corral over the wheel to attach the rod to the wheel. So yes, we can already see it's turning. I can make the rod turn independent of the wheel, and that's almost the engine. Now I'm going to draw a piston. That's just a square, and I'll just arrange it so the piston is to the right of the crankshaft, the wheel, and the rod. And now I need to connect the rod with the piston. So I'm going to make the rod just always point towards the piston. So this is just another 3-block script. Forever point towards the piston and start it. And now it's almost done. The only thing that's left to do is I need to make the piston move in the x direction, the x-axis of the rod. So I'm just always going to set the x position of the piston to the right edge of the rod. And once I'm starting the script that always does that, I have a perfect engine. And it's really just 3 objects that are connected to each other with 3 simple scripts that lets us do a virtual machine, so to speak.